and gentlemen, we've got breaking news! SEMA 2020, as we officially know it, has been canceled! Alright, this mic's not really hooked up. What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. I wanted to bring you guys a quick update just in case you're not in the know, you don't get the emails, or you don't see it blasted all over Instagram like it is blasted today. Now, for quite some time this year, you guys have been hitting me up wondering what it is that I'm going to do for SEMA this year. As you know, 2 years ago, we brought my Denali, which is sitting right there in the shop. Then last year, we weren't exactly planning on building a vehicle. I was actually going to save up some money and do another big truck build, which would be this year. But we did get an opportunity to take my mom's Tahoe. We lowered it and brought it to SEMA last year. So of course you would think that SEMA 2020, we're coming out with another big build. And well, we were planning on it. You guys may remember, if you're longtime fans of the channel, I was looking for a 2020 F450 for myself. Well, it turns out my dad ended up having to sell his Kodiak because California's crazy and wouldn't let him register in the state anymore. So instead we ended up getting the 2020 F450 for him, not me. And if you remember when we went to go pick that truck up, he was very adamant about wanting that thing built for SEMA. Like, he wanted a crazy cool rad truck like my Denali. So of course we got to take care of Pops, and I was planning on building him a pretty crazy but still daily drivable, similar to what I did with my BBB. And for those of you that are new to the channel or just popped onto this video and never seen me before, we should probably go walk and talk about the truck that I'm talking about, which is my Denali right here, which we built for SEMA 2018, I believe. I don't know. I get my years mixed up. So I was gonna go out and build him a SEMA/daily drivable rig. But then we got a little issue that popped up this year, and that was the Rona. Now, me being me, I hate wishy-washy plans. Like, if we're gonna do something, we're gonna do it. I don't like that there's a maybe, or that there's a lingering, something's gonna get canceled. And well, in my mind, SEMA was not a guarantee this year. Obviously, Vegas had been shut down at one point, and really most of the country had. Then it was starting to look good. Things were opening back up. Now, mind you, this entire time, I'm getting the SEMA emails from the people that put on SEMA, and they're doing their part. And now, mind you, SEMA is like the Specialty Equipment Manufacturing Association. Don't quote me on that one. So basically, they are like the governing body of trying to help prop up businesses, the automotive industry. Like, they're essentially there to help. Like, if you're in the industry, you want to be a SEMA member, they help with legislation, they help with all kinds of stuff. So they were really pushing, like, we're gonna make SEMA happen, we're gonna make SEMA happen. I kept getting the emails. So far all year, I've been getting emails saying it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen, which had me kind of scratching my head there a little bit. Because one of the other things you may not know about SEMA, if you've never been, is SEMA is like ginormously international. And I mean ginormously. I don't even know if ginormously is a real word. But the last few times I've gone to SEMA, just like one hall, like, mind you, SEMA currently is 3 buildings. I know they built the big expansion on the convention center in Vegas. I don't know if it's open yet or not, but currently 3 buildings, 2 floors each one. And we're talking like just acreage per floor per building. And if you ever go, you'll see just one of those buildings is dedicated just to Chinese tire companies, like the international, oh jeez, I got attacked by a pterodactyl there. Oh, where's it going? The international community that comes out is massive. So I had to kind of like in my own head be like, you know, all right, SEMA's kind of wishy-washy. Do I want to commit to a very expensive truck build? You know, obviously we've got the channel, so I'm kind of blessed, whereas other people that are committed and are actually actively building their vehicles right now, I feel really bad for, because they're dropping an absolute ton of money. And if you don't have the channel to share it with you guys, and you're like, Super Bowl was SEMA, like, I don't know what to tell them, you know? So I was kind of hanging back a little bit because I didn't want to drop a ton of money on a vehicle and then like can't take it to SEMA. And honestly, like, Vegas reopened, but being in California, we kind of like get the grunt of everything. So we actually reopened, then re-shut back down, and I'm just like, you know what? With sports, with just the way everything's going and being canceled, I don't see a SEMA happening this year, even prior to the announcement coming out. So I hate to say it, but about a month ago, I decided, you know what? We're not doing SEMA this year. It just wasn't worth it to me to take the risk of building a really cool vehicle, not being able to showcase it at SEMA, and I'm not the type of guy that's like, oh, I'm gonna try and bring it next year. I had a lot of offers to actually bring the Denali back to SEMA last year, but I don't like that. You see too many people that'll either just like change the powder coat color or change the wheels and tires and bring back the same truck. Like, it just doesn't make sense to me. To me, like, bring something new and fresh every year. So not even about 20 minutes ago, probably a couple hours by the time this video goes live, SEMA just put out this letter that you see right here behind me, and I'll kind of paraphrase for you. It says, statement about 2020 SEMA show. SEMA Specialty Equipment Market Association, all right, we're close. Announced today that due to the Rona and concerns that event facilities and services will be unavailable, SEMA show, along with Apex will not be taking place in 2020. While both event organizers and industry members have been working tirelessly to deliver an outstanding SEMA show in November, mounting uncertainty has rendered continuing with the event inadvisable. The cool thing is they're giving full refunds for all the booths, for everybody, all the attendee registration fees. Now mind you, SEMA's not open to the public, so it's not like they're returning ticket fees. Now that being said, it doesn't mean like there's completely no SEMA coverage for anything. They do have in that letter saying that there are talks about doing somewhat of a virtual show. Not exactly my ideal thing, but again, we all kind of got to adapt right now, so I give them credit for trying something. So what now? Now that SEMA's canceled. Well, here's what I want to do for all of you guys that were building a SEMA vehicle, have already built your SEMA vehicle, or whatever it may be. And let's just enjoy the beautiful greenery behind me here. But if you're currently in the process of building a SEMA vehicle and you're local to me, hit me up. I want to give you the exposure that you so well deserve, because I know exactly what it takes to build a SEMA vehicle, the time, the effort, the planning, the money. So if you are local to me, hit me up. Let's do a giant feature on whatever vehicle you got for SEMA this year. Now, if you are not local, I still want to feature your guys' vehicles. I got a ton of friends that are not local here that are working on building SEMA vehicles this year. So shoot me an email, dmaxryno@hotmail.com. It is down in the description, as well as the workforapparel.com link if you want to click on that. Let's link up, tell me what you got, and we're going to figure out a way to feature your build as well. And if any of you guys know anybody building a SEMA vehicle this year that is going to be super let down, let them know what I want to do, and let's get these vehicles featured. Because what a lot of you guys don't know is it's not all big name companies that are bringing vehicles to SEMA. It's mainly a lot of normal people who have gotten the opportunity to build their dream vehicle and shell out a ton of money. SEMA is not all sponsors. I know everybody thinks that, but it takes a ton of money to build a SEMA vehicle. So I want to do my part to make sure you guys get the recognition you deserve. So again, let your friends know, or if you have a SEMA vehicle you're building, shoot me an email, dmaxryno@hotmail.com, and let's link up. But with that, we got to wrap up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now. They do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah.